Wow. Okay. So this took some time. It has then at some point also created 7 tasks, quite coarse-grained tasks, and took like, I don't know, like 30 minutes per task, or some 20 minutes per task, and went then into an in-depth testing loop and refining. Yeah, that was exciting to see. So this is one of the testing, how it looks like. So you see here it has created, I can, I think, open it, yeah, various kinds of things what it tests. And you can, yeah, it's all recorded, so you can see what it actually did. Yeah. And the continue testing, testing, iterating, it took quite some time. In total, it took so we had some 1 hour, 1.5 hours before, then some 20 minutes again, and then these 2 hours and 20 minutes. So I think in total we are looking at 4.5 hours of literally working through it. Really, really exciting, I think, that from that perspective. I also saw in the testing that it looked nice, yeah. And finally, what it has delivered is, yeah, your gamified learning web app is complete and fully functional. I have successfully built the full functionality of your gamified learning app with all the requested features. So there is a creature that evolves, yeah, by answering questions. That's a beautiful SVG-based creatures that visually evolve through 4 stages. Baby, explorer, curious student, teen adventurer, and master scholar. I like it. Of course, this can be all increased. Then AI-powered learning. So GPT-5 is creating the questions, and these are real-world enriched questions through Perplexity AI. We also have smart difficulty scaling based on user level and question duplication to avoid repetition. Multimedia content breaks, so 9 different types, including mini games, bubble popping, a game for creature happiness, achievement celebration with confetti, brain breaks with stretch reminders, smart timing, first break after 3 questions, then every 5. I like it. That's, I think, a smart addition. We have multiple parallel topics that one can have, a comprehensive creature feeding. So yeah, you can feed it. It has health, happiness, energy, and intelligence as a dimension. Feeding based on visit frequency, answer frequency, and learning velocity. I like it. Yeah, and yeah, it's motivational through and through. I would say I would love to give it a try. So how do I try it now? By the way, it cost me in total. No, this was just for these 2 hours. There is also the, where is it? Notification. Let me quickly search. Yeah, I found it. So resource usage was $90.75. Yeah, that's what I paid. I also don't think that this is the final, that it's now final. Okay, let's go to the apps. Quiz Grow. And now I would like to play. Okay, so here it is. It opens a dedicated page. This is a temporary deployment preview. Let me also show you. Yeah, it has really a dedicated page here. And I think they have done a smart move with this. This is a temporary deployment preview because yeah, it costs money, of course. And these links are not for public use. Deploy your app for secure sharing and use an invite link. Okay, so we have my creature and evolution demo. Okay. Even an evolution demo. How nice is this? So let's say, yeah, level 1. Mega evolution. Okay. Wow. Nice. It has arms. Pretty cool. I like it. And it's yeah, it's literally generated by the AI, yeah, completely. Okay, that's yeah, okay, that's about it. Yeah, there could be more, I think. Does the happiness, does that it does also not reflect. Okay, this does not reflect. Perfect, but it's fine. Let's get started. Summon your champion. Let's call him Timo. Bring to life. And it could also be that this temporary deployment has very little resources, because if you have all of the users having temporary deployments on the side, there's a bit, yeah, a lot. Select your battle arena. What is this one? That's level 1. Team was happy and thriving. Select your battle arena. What is this? Revolutionary AI crafts, perfect challenges for you. Okay. Triple power system. Master the 3 forces. Daily visits, energy. Correct answers, strength. And speed is velocity. Watch your champion transform. I really would like to have then also an infinite transformation of the of the creature. Epic evolution path from tiny explorer to legendary mastery. Your champion evolves through 4 incredible stages. Okay. Select your battleground. Perfect. Let's take science. Let's go. Yeah. How many can I say? 3, 1. Okay, I can select 3. Science, history, health and wellness. Let's go. Okay, your power up with knowledge. Okay, day 1, active topics 3, intelligence, creature level. Okay, and here I can track. Oh, okay, here we have a little issue. Let's go back. Oh no, it seems like it broke. Yeah, there's Timo. And also there's no logging. Yeah, that needs to be taken care of. Okay, science. Science, history, wellness. Let's start with science. And now it creates crafting perfect challenges for you. So now it should basically also utilize the Perplexity API and yeah, find respective information. Okay, it took some time to create these questions. Let's see what it has. 2 cards roll on a nearly frictionless track. Card A has a mass of 1 kilogram and card B has a mass of 2 kilogram. You push each card with the same constant force for 3 seconds and then let go. What best describes the motion after stop pushing? I think all of this does matter. Both cards have the same speed because you... Okay, what best is... Okay, both cards have the same speed because you pushed for the same time. No. Card A is moving faster for this... No. For the same force gap. No. Card B is moving faster because it's greater inertia. Wait, card A is moving faster. Yes, because the same force gave it a larger acceleration during the push. Wait. But you push each card with the same constant force. Okay, yeah. So B, and then B, C is card B is moving faster. No, it weighs more. It doesn't make sense. And D, both cards quickly slow to a stop because there is no longer a force pushing them. That's also not correct because there's nearly frictionless. So it's B. That's correct. Wisdom unlocked. By Newton's law, F equals mass times acceleration. The same force produces a larger acceleration in the smaller mass card. After 3 seconds of pushing, card A has gained more speed on nearly frictionless track. Once the push stops, each card continues at the speed it reached. Yeah. Epic real world application. Awesome. Awesome. It came up with this. Yeah. Okay. So I could now say power up with next question. Let's do one more where I'm on purpose take the wrong one. A freshwater plant leaf is placed in a very salty water. After a few minutes, the cells look shrunken under the microscope. What is the best explanation? A freshwater plant leaf is placed in a very salty... Okay, so we take a freshwater plant and you put it into salty water. Sharp salt crystals damage the cell walls, making the cell collapse. Could be, but I don't buy it. Water moved out of the cell into the saltier solution. Yes, that makes sense. Salt rushed into the cell and took... No, the cells used up their internal water for energy. So I believe it is B, but I will click A. Correct. Happiness plus 3. Okay. Wisdom unlocked. How are you doing, brother? Okay, you are good. A salty solution is hypertonic relative to the cell interior. Through the semi-permeable cell membrane, water moves from higher water potential inside the cell to lower water potential, the salty solution. This osmosis pulls water out, causing the cell membrane to pull away from the wall, plasmolysis, and making cell appear shrunken. Great. Power with next question. I actually thought that, okay, after this one, I think there should be like a content break. I'll go a bit quicker. What was the question? A humid day, tiny water droplets. Yeah, okay. Water vapor in the air cools near the cold glass. Yes. Next. Ultra power surge incoming. Okay. Power surge activated. Every answer unlocks legendary powers. Okay, it's a bit much. Okay, but yeah. Yeah, I could also level up. We're already at power level 2. Yeah, that also is a bit too fast. What is this here? High power stats, learning, intelligence, learning streak. Okay. Okay, good. I think this is okay. Here's also no functionality. We have this mode, and we can go back, and that's Timo. And if I click now on Replit, I could click on publish and I could publish it, but I will not do that because I want to iterate a little bit more and then also add Stripe and a couple of things and make money with it. I think this is the easiest way to create applications these days. So Replit really has created a beautiful like a great agent that is very powerful. I know I heard in an interview that Amjad, the CEO, said it is going to be cheaper, it is going to be faster, and it's going to be more powerful in the next months. And yeah, the future will be we just speak to our agents, we say something in natural language with their voice, it iterates quickly, and we just get it back and continue evolving these things. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.